Hey everyone, Brandon Boyd here with I Am Mastery Academy. I want to go over building your business and doing it the right way so that way you can structure yourself to hit the ranks that you want to achieve. So, a lot of times in the company, we talk about Platinum 600. This really is the foundation of the business. Now, of course, Platinum 150 is very important, but this rank right here, Platinum 600, this is where you want to create a factory of people going P600 inside the company. So, it's basically three customers who got three customers. So there's you in red, and then you have your front three, and those three who got three, you now have $600 a month residual coming in as long as you're qualified, or you could just go get all 12 yourself if you wanted to. All right. But this is how it works. This is the building goal. Number one is you want to build three frontline business partners, okay? They could be customers, they could be people that want to build, but nonetheless, you want to have three frontline business partners. You want to make sure that they are on line one or generation one when you actually look at your placement tree. Number two is you want to enroll people straight down each one of the three legs. Why do you want to do that? Because it creates momentum. When you have many, many people who are getting people placed on their team rather than very few by just spreading it all out or keeping them all to yourself, you lose that snowball effect. So when you're driving a leg straight down and people are being placed down those generations, it's actually going to excite a lot of people. So like, let's say that when we look at leg one here, and that third person is placed down there, how do you think that the first person feels? Good. How do you think the second person feels? Good, right? Because they're getting people placed on their team. So you want to keep those legs as balanced as you can. Goal is to help people get their two and free, but don't worry about sponsoring two others. What I mean by that is you don't necessarily want to take all your enrollments and just use those people's links and give them their two and free, because you could actually paralyze those people from doing anything because they feel like, hey, this upline sponsor of mine's doing everything, right? And so you want to make sure that you are using your link and that you place to those people, but I don't recommend giving away the enrollments as far as using their links to sign the people up. In fact, when they go to the person's website, they'll see it's a different person's name. That could cause confusion. All right. Now, this is the way it works. You log into your back office. May look different as far as the colors with the new revamp and rebrand of the company. But you click on menu button, you click on placement tree. This is what I like to take a look at because this is where you can see your organization. On the left side, you're going to have the IDs and names. On the right side, this is what I want to focus on to make this very simple. You want to have your personal volume at least around 145 to 155 in that range, depending on the package that you buy. I'm not giving specifics only because it really depends on if you bought the platinum, the elite, or one of the prime packs or something like that. But let's just say around 150 PV. Your PRSV, that stands for personal retail sales volume. Those are actual customers that you are enrolling, okay? Your PV is your personal volume. That means, if you bought, let's say, the platinum package, you would get the points for that. When you look at total GV, that's your total group volume. So that looks at your first leg here at the top. Let's say it's 12,300. All you do is let's take 12,300. Let's divide that by 150 points per person. So that means you have about 82 active subscribers on that first leg. Okay. Now, I'm not going to spend the time on the 55-45. That basically just is your customer versus IBO ratio. And then it says qualified GV. It basically takes how much of your total GV actually qualifies you for your rank that you're at. Leg two, 10,200. So I take 10,200 total GV. So 10,200 divided by, let's say, 150 points. You have about 68 active customers in that organization. And again, that person has their 435 PRSV. So you want to make sure, what I like to tell people is get your PRSV over 400, because you want to have 2 to 3 active people at any given time in your organization so that you're qualified to receive commissions. And what do you want to do? You want to enroll customers, not IBOs. You don't need people upgrading to IBO until they have at least 3 personals and have an intention to build a business. Leg 3, 9,700 volume divided by 150. So you got about 65 people on that leg. So when you look at this, what's the goal? The goal is to keep the legs as balanced as you can. So what would I do? I'd say, okay, if I have a weaker leg and I've got, a new customer or new leader signing up, I want to put them in one of those legs to continue to strengthen that leg. The more I strengthen these legs and keep them balanced, the better my rank is going to be. So that's really how you go out and build this as a business. Again, you want to get the 2 and free upgrade when you have your third personal. You want to drive 3 legs straight down, okay, and reward the people who are truly working, not just the people who are charity cases. And then from there, you want to keep the legs as balanced as you can. So guys, this is how you build your business. Hope that this is able to help you out. If so, click like. We'll see you at the top.